The death of the long-roof Taycan models has been greatly exaggerated. While Porsche is indeed pulling the plug on the Sport Turismo and Cross Turismo in the United States, both models will live on elsewhere. In a statement to Motor One, a company spokesperson confirmed that the factory in Stuttgart will continue to build the more practical versions of the company's first EV. On a related note, Porsche is pleased to announce that the Taycan sedan can now crack the 700 km range barrier in Europe for the first time. If you happen to live in one of the 27 countries that make up the EU, you'll need to opt for a rear-wheel drive model with the larger battery pack and new low-rolling resistant summer tires to achieve 435 miles of range. As always, real-world driving range depends on several factors, and the WLTP rating is known to be overly optimistic, especially compared to the EPA standard. With this setup, the Taycan Sport Turismo can now travel 417 miles, 671 kilometers, on a single charge. The Taycan is one of Porsche's oldest models, having launched near the end of 2019. The only vehicle that has been around longer is the first-generation Macan, but the compact crossover goes out of production this summer. Zuffenhausen has yet to say a word about a second generation, although the company's new CEO has not ruled out merging the Taycan and Panamera lineups to cut costs. However, no decision has been made. We may learn more about what the future holds for the Taycan in the coming months. This fall, Michael Leiters will outline any additions or amendments to the product portfolio. Whatever happens, combustion engines are not going anywhere. Porsche is once again embracing ICE models after its EV bet backfired and plans to keep selling gasoline-powered and hybrid vehicles well into the 2030s. Whether another wagon is on the radar remains unclear, but we wouldn't count on it. The current generation Panamera is sold exclusively as a 5-door liftback, while Porsche blames the demise of the Taycan Turismo models in the US on weak sales.